Welcome, this is Mr. Rex. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you guys can make more than $1,200 a week with using Pinterest. So this is a very simple basic strategy just for beginners, and you will start generating sales if you watch this video. So before we're gonna start this video, make sure to subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So you can see I am in Google Trends and I just simply typed dog training worldwide past 12 months, and you guys can see, look what I got. The trend is really high trend, and this trend is pretty consistent and sustained trend. It means a lot of people are searching for dog training for more than 1 year. And if you scroll down, you can see the main countries like United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Ireland. So these are the tier 1 countries which is searching for dog training. So it means there's a really big demand in the market for dog training. And how we gonna make money with this offers or with this kind of products? So our first step is to make money with this dog training offer. We go to clickbank.com to select a product related to dog training. So if you scroll down, there is a really popular product related to dogs in the Clickbank in the home and garden niche. You guys can also select a product related to dogs from any other affiliate platform. But right now I'm going to select from Clickbank because this is a product, brain dog trainings. So this is one of the most popular product from last couple of years, and this product converts really well. And you can see this product gives you average more than $30 in every single sale, and the gravity is 93. It means really not a lot of people are promoting. It means the competition is not that high, but this product converts really well. That's why you can see 93 people are making money with this offer from last 3 months. This is the means of gravity, how many people are making money from last 3 months with this offer. Okay, so let's go to the sales page and then we directly grab our affiliate link. So this is a sales page and there is no sales video. If you scroll down, so this is a short video, but there's not a sales video, but this sales page converts really well. And if you scroll down, you can see this page converts really well. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna promote this offer so go back to Clickbank and simply click promote, get your affiliate link, and make sure save in your notepad. So once you save your affiliate link, what is our next step? Next step is you guys simply came to pinterest.com. like a lot of you know about Pinterest is one of the biggest social media platform nowadays. Like millions of people are using Pinterest, and like normally people are using Facebook nowadays, a lot of people are using Pinterest. So if you scroll down, and I'm going to show you how we're gonna promote our dogs related offer here. You guys simply type dog training, or okay, give me a second. So I type dog training, so you guys can see these things people are searching for it, like dog training tips, dog training obedience, dog training videos, dog training techniques. So normally people are showing you the content, but I'm gonna show you a really different thing in this video, how you guys can easily make a lot of money with Pinterest. So simply click dog training videos and you guys can see millions of views these videos are getting in Pinterest, because Pinterest is like encourage this kind of videos. To more videos you are posting, the more views you are get, the more money you are making. But nowadays Pinterest algorithm is pushing these short videos. Like you can see TikTok, people are uploading on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Nowadays a lot of people are also uploading in Pinterest these short videos, and Pinterest is pushing these videos, and these videos are getting like millions of views. And I'm gonna give you a few examples. Like these videos and these accounts are getting like tens of thousands of views every single month, and I'm gonna give you a few examples. For example, this is a page like pets care and training. So this is a new page is created, I know about this, and you can see this page have only 280 followers, and this page is getting almost 60,000 monthly views. So in Pinterest you don't need a lot of followers, you only need views. How you guys are start getting views? You guys literally post content like video based. The more video based content you are uploading, the more views you are getting. And scroll up and you guys can see he's also uploading anything, their website or affiliate link, I don't know what is it, but he's also uploading anything, promoting anything. Okay, and he's also
you can see like uploading a lot of content. If you go to the next page, you guys can see this is a page like 366 followers, and he's getting like more than 200,000 views every single day, and he's also uploading promoting anything. And scroll down and you can see he's uploading a lot of content related to dogs. And how we gonna make money and how we gonna promote our offer, I'm gonna show you. But this is the last account. You can see Dog Villas. This is a really big account, and he have like more than 100,000 followers, and he's getting like 3.7 million views every single month. And he's uploading a lot of content on text-based content. He's not uploading video-based content, but this is a really big page, or you call it really big account in Pinterest. So now what we're gonna do, we are not promoting text-based content. Now we're gonna upload short videos, like you guys can see these people are uploading. In this way you guys are start getting like thousands of views instantly. So for example, I'm gonna select any of this video, for example this one, and I'm gonna pause this video for a second, and we need this link for our own content. Simply copy that link and simply go to this website. It's called pinterestvideodownloader.com. Once you go to this website, you guys can see Pinterest downloader. Simply paste your link and simply click download. So if you scroll down, so this is the option this website provides you, download a video file. Simply click this, and you can see simply click 3 dots and download this video in your PC. Okay, it will take like few seconds and it will be downloaded. So you can see that our video is downloaded successfully. What is our next step? You guys can directly go to Pinterest back, and you guys can also upload the same video in your account. But if you want to add any kind of text or anything else, so for that we simply go to canva.com. like a lot of you know about Canva, right? This is completely free website. So you guys can see, simply click video, scroll down and click next, again next, and we're gonna select like TikTok video. So once you select TikTok resolution video, you can see this same page, and you simply click uploads and upload this your video from your PC. So you guys can see that our video is uploaded successfully. So what we're gonna do, first of all, click this, and I'm gonna change the background color to black, and then simply click this, and this is our short video. Stop, pause this video, and I'm gonna increase the size of that video. This looks good. And one thing is remaining, you guys simply click text. You guys can type any kind of text here. For example, I'm just giving you an example right here. I'm gonna go with like link in the description. Simply click effects, and I'm gonna background will be yellow, or you guys can also change the background color, but I'm gonna give you just for example. Okay, you guys can also add different type of texts. Simply click here, and you guys can also animate this video. Simply click animate and select any kind of, like for example this one. This looks good, and if you click this, so your video now look like this. You guys can also add a lot of text here or here. You guys can do a lot of things in Canva. So I'm gonna go and I'm not gonna add this one right now, but I just literally show you the procedure. And you guys simply click download, and you guys simply click download from here. Okay, it will take like few seconds, and then your video will be downloaded in your PC. Okay, so you can see that our video is downloaded successfully. Once you download your video, what is our next step? Next step is we directly go back to pinterest.com, and now we're gonna upload this short video in our Pinterest account. Simply click create and create a pin, and you guys just simply upload that video from your PC. Okay, so you can see this video is start uploading, and now you guys can add a title. For example, dog training tips, dog training videos. You guys can type anything, but remember, you guys must add keywords like dog training or dog training tips if you're promoting or uploading dogs related offer. Okay, dogs related video, sorry. Okay, so now we're gonna add our small description here. So you can see that I added my small description here, and in here I just simply add 3 tags, and this is a place where we're gonna make money, right? So in here, what are we gonna do? We're gonna simply add our affiliate link, but Pinterest does not allow affiliate link. For that we need a landing page, and a lot of people are confused which kind of landing page we're gonna use in Pinterest. So I'm gonna give you very like simple strategy. So we directly go to this site. It's called Linktree. So might be a lot of you know about Linktree. This is a really popular site, and like millions of creators using Linktree, right? So you guys simply go to pricing, and this is completely free website. You guys just simply scroll down and you guys can see free forever. You guys just simply click join and use this plan, and once you sign up your account, how your link look like and how our landing page look like. I'm gonna give you example right here. So in a new tab, you guys just simply paste your link. So this is, for example, my link, linktree/braindog, and simply click enter. So your link will look like this, linktree/ your username. For example, my username is braindog, so here is my username. So this is a logo, for example, I uploaded, and this is how our affiliate link look like. So this is small heading or headline, and in here we put our insert our affiliate link. For example, if I open this, so this website will be open related to like bacteria or this kind of website for animals or pets, you guys can see. And in here you guys simply insert your affiliate link, and your landing page will look like this. And this kind of landing pages works really well nowadays in Pinterest. Okay, a lot of people are using this kind of landing pages. So simply click this linktree/braindog, and you guys just simply select a board and dog training, simply click publish. Okay, and I'm gonna show you one more strategy how you guys can get a lot of content without Pinterest. So you can see that our post is live right now, but right now I'm gonna show you one more strategy how you guys can get more content related to dogs without Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to, so you guys just simply came to instagram.com and simply search for dog training tips, and you guys can find a lot of like pages related to dogs, and you guys can see a lot of people are uploading videos and reels. So it did not show me the reels option. If you're using in your mobile phone, it will show you the reels option. You guys simply click on reels, and you guys can see a lot of people are uploading dog training tips and tricks videos in their Instagram pages. For example, this page like have like more than 100,000 followers, and he's uploading dog training related offers. And scroll up, and he's also promoting, I think, brain dogs training affiliate offer, which we are also promoting. And you can see these people are also uploading a lot of videos related to dog training. If you go to this page, like again, this like page, or you call it account, have like more than 350,000 followers. So there's a lot of followers, and this page is also verified page, and he's also uploading like a lot of dogs related videos. And in the last page, this page have like more than 450,000 plus followers. And if you scroll down, and he's also uploading, like simply click videos, and he's uploading a lot of videos related to dog training. You guys can also see reels in your mobile phone, reels option. So how we gonna download these kind of videos? For example, I want to download this video. Simply click on this video, and you guys can see this link. Copy that link, and you guys simply go to this website. It's called snapinsta.app, and paste your link. And if this is a video, simply click on video. If this is a reel, simply click on reel. Story, IGTV, photo, simply click and download in your PC. Okay, so once you download it, then you guys simply go to pinterest.com and re-upload that same video reel on Pinterest. You guys just simply download videos or reels in Instagram and upload in your Pinterest account. So in this way, you guys can easily upload 2 to 3 short videos every single day in your Pinterest account. You guys just simply download video from Instagram and upload in your Pinterest account, and it will take like 3 to 5 minutes. You guys can can easily upload 2 to 3 short videos every single day very easily. With Pinterest, you guys can easily make a lot of money because there's a really low competition. And dog training niche, you guys can see not a lot of people are promoting affiliate offers, and even not a lot of people are uploading dog training videos. If you scroll down, you guys can see people are uploading like text-based content, not video-based content. Like you can see people are not engaged with text-based content, people are engaged with video-based content. You guys can see if you are uploading short videos in Pinterest, Pinterest is rank your video, and in Pinterest will start giving you a lot of views, because with videos people are engaged, with text content people are not engaged. So the more videos you are uploading, the more views you guys are getting. And not a lot of people are uploading videos, a lot of people are uploading like text-based content. So for example, you are uploading 2 or 3 short videos every single day on Pinterest, and for example you are getting like 2,000 views of 3 videos is getting like 2,000 views every single day, and you did this method for at least, for example, 10 days. It means you are getting like 20,000 views in every 10 days. And for example, out of 20,000 people, for example, 30 or 40 people buy your offer, you are easily making more than $1,000 in every 10 days. But the main thing is you guys must be consistent with this method for at least 10 to 20 days. After 20 days you will see you are start getting like thousands of views with your short videos. But you guys must be consistent with this video, with this strategy which I show you, and then you guys can easily start making more than $1,000 every single week with this strategy. And if you want to learn how this copy and paste strategy works, and you guys can easily make more than $4,000 every single month with just simply copy and pasting strategy, so make sure watch this video and see you soon.